In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name and profile picture on Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to update your online persona or simply switch things up for a fresh look, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, grab your device and let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. As soon as you have the browser open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a circle with your current profile picture or an initial. Go ahead and click on that circle. This will open a small drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to many account settings and information, an easy access point for all your Google accounts. Once you've clicked the profile picture, look for the option that says Manage your Google account. Click this, and you will be taken to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Google account. It's like the control center for your Google persona, where you can adjust a host of different settings and customize your experience. Now that you are on the Google account page, the first thing you might want to change is your profile picture. Updating this image is a great way to refresh your Google identity and personalize your account to reflect who you are right now. The option to change your profile picture is displayed prominently on the current page. Click on your existing picture, and you'll be guided through the steps to upload a new one. You can choose a photo stored on your device or take a new one using your webcam. It's straightforward and intuitive. Next, if you want to update your name, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a panel with various options. Locate and click on Personal Info. This is where you can change personal details like your name and other contact information. Click on it, and you'll enter a page filled with editable information fields. Here, you'll have the ability to change your name. Click on the section showing your current name, and a new window will pop up allowing you to edit it. Feel free to enter your new preferred name. Once done, make sure you save your changes. The Save button is usually located at the bottom of the dialog box, which seals the deal, ensuring your updated information is committed. Congratulations! You've now successfully changed your name and profile picture on Google Chrome. Remember, these changes will reflect across all Google services you use, enhancing your online appearance wherever your Google account is accessible. It's a simple process that makes a world of difference in personalizing your digital presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.